In this exercise, you are a math tutor who has just started working with students. We'll use JavaScript objects to manage your students' data. Try to solve the exercise yourself. You can see an example solution in the video when you are ready. Step 1. Create an object that contains data of your first student, Alice, age 16. Her grade is 85 and the lesson price will be $20. Let's create an object to store Alice's data, including her name, age, grade, and lesson price. So student 1 is an object with name Alice, age 16, grade 85, and lesson price 20. Your second student will be Bob. His lesson price and grade are the same as Alice's, so copy the first student and change the name. Okay, so let's copy the first student using the spread operator. Student 2 is spread operator student 1, and student 2 name will be Bob. As you may remember, we can also copy an object using object assign method like this. Object assign, object student1. And since our object don't have any embedded reference types, a shallow copy will do. As a reminder, we can also make a deep copy using JSON like this. JSON parse, JSON stringify, student1. Step 3. Add a new property called subject to your students. Now let's add new property called subject to our students. So student 1 subject is mathematics and student 2 subject is also mathematics. Step 4. Your third student has sent their data in JSON format. Convert this JSON string to JavaScript object. To convert data you received from your next student, we can use the JSON parse method to convert JSON data to an object like this. So student 3 JSON is name Charlie, age 17, grade 92, and lesson price is 35. And then student 3 is JSON parse student 3 JSON. And we get an object with student 3 data. Step 5. Schedule your next lesson with each student by adding a next lesson date property. To schedule lessons with our students, let's add a next lesson property with a date to each student object like this. Student 1 next lesson is a new date. Student 2 next lesson is new date. And student 3 next lesson and now we have planned lessons with all students. Step 6. Find out what is the highest and lowest grade amongst your students. To find the lowest and highest grade amongst our students, let's use math max and math min like this. Highest grade is math max, student 1 grade, student 2 grade, and student 3 grade. And the lowest grade will be math minimum, student 1 grade, student 2 grade, and student 3 grade. And here is the result. Step 7. Student 3 has decided to quit. Archive his data so it can no longer be modified. Let's use object freeze to prevent any further modification of student 3 data. object freeze, student free. And then if we try to change the name, student free name, change name, and the name is not changed.